Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. The Evo has only been out a couple of days, and already people are talking about a couple of potential issues with it. The first is the tilted horizon on the camera, and the second is a question about the rear obstacle avoidance. In this episode, I'm going to show you both of these situations. The Evo has only been out for less than a week, and people are already talking about two potential issues. I wanted to explain them to you and demonstrate what they look like. The first issue deals with rear obstacle avoidance. I think most people believe that the Evo would have forward and rear obstacle avoidance, but this isn't exactly the case. What the Evo has is forward obstacle avoidance and rear obstacle warning. Watch these tests. The drone is 15 feet away and you can hear it beeping. Let's bring this forward. Bring it forward. Now I've got the stick at full throttle and it's just sitting there. The obstacle avoidance is working. We'll back it up a little bit. Now we know there is no side avoidance, side obstacle avoidance, so if I bring it forward, you can see the drone's getting real close. And it had no problems there. Now let's turn it around, bring it down again. Whoops. All right, and let's bring it back. And I am sensing nothing. There we go. It says it's 6 feet away. But you can see I'm bringing this thing closer and closer and closer. It's probably 18 inches away right now, maybe a foot, and it's backing up, and the drone is not stopping itself at all. It says 2 feet on my screen. Now if I move, I'm going to get away. Now if I were to go straight forward here, it would definitely hit the tree. And there you can see I've got it full speed forward, and it is just inching forward right now, and that obstacle avoidance is not letting it do it. So it's working really well. All right, but again, I turn it around. It's not even sensing that tree right now. I bring it back. Boy, it doesn't get it until it says 8 feet away, and it's not even close to that. So, further than that. So, the message here is you own an Evo, you've got front obstacle avoidance, and you've got a minimal rear obstacle notification. As those examples showed you, the Evo does a really good job of stopping the aircraft as it approaches an obstacle that's in front of it. But when the aircraft is turned around and going backwards, the obstacle avoidance doesn't. All you get is a warning signal from the drone, and you have to have your volume turned up on your phone to even hear that. The second issue that people are talking about with the Evo deals with the tilted horizon. Now, if you saw my previous episode on buying drones over $700, I talked about the tilted horizon and told you that I wouldn't buy an Evo if I were you until that issue is resolved. Okay. I'm going to fly around here a little bit, and I'm going to give you some examples so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Autel has already issued a firmware update for this drone, and that's great. It got it done fast. It didn't fix this problem though. There's still the tilted horizon. Okay, don't get me wrong. I really like this drone. The Evo is great. It's built really well. It's very sturdy, very durable. It flies beautifully. It's a little twitchy, but I've just got to get into the settings and dumb those down. So it's a great, great drone, and I'm really excited to mess around with this more. The rear obstacle avoidance or lack thereof, that's not a big deal to me. The fact that it even gives me a warning is more than I'm used to on other drones, except for the Phantom 4 Pro. And so that's not a big deal to me. The tilted horizon, like I said before, I would not recommend that you buy this drone until that's fixed, and I continue to stand by that position. When Autel gets it fixed, and I have confidence that they will, but when they get it fixed, I'll let you know. I'm going to be doing a lot more test videos on the Evo. I'm going to be doing tutorials and training videos and news announcements, and I'm going to do the same thing about the Parrot Anafi. I've got one of these too, and I just started flying it. It's a lot of fun to fly. So I'm going to be covering both these aircraft, and if you're interested in either one or both of them, make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you're notified. I also do training videos and tutorials and reviews on unique products and DJI products. So I cover the whole range of the aerial photography drones. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you back here soon. Stop! Before you go, hit the subscribe button and push that like button too. Down in the description, you'll find a link to my Facebook group. Join the group and let's talk. Finally, on screen is a playlist with a whole bunch of drone videos, so click on that to see all the news, reviews, and tutorials I put together just for you. Get all that done? Okay, you can go now.